I'm from Ghana and I would like you to read my dialect.
12 seconds later.
FɛFɛ na fɛ ti na oba tumika na waso ne nufum na nyese ebeti ato ifumni nti.
Hey, what a surprise!
Welcome to the Martha Television.
Hello lovely viewers, welcome back to the Martha TV. It's your girl Christy, aka Nikki CH, and you are watching the Martha TV. And on today's episode is Broni obetimi akan. Yes, can the white speak my dialect? Do you want to know?
Yes! You agree? Yes!
Do you really want to know?
Yes!
Let's hit the streets. And on today's akan proverbs, FɛFɛ na Fɛ nti na oba tu meka na waso ni nufum na enye se ebeti atofum inti. Hi, please what's your name?
My name is Ilof.
Ilof? Yeah. Do you have a nickname?
No. Lulu.
Nice name.
Wait a second. Yes, wait a second.
Come!
Oh, okay. FɛFɛ na fɛ niti na oba tumarika.
Jesus! What did you say?
Tumarika.
Modern, what you get me say? Hey!
Ana wasone nufum na ne se ebeti ato efum and net.
Okay, now I got it. Okay, I got it. Okay, I got it. Now I got it. All right, I got
it. Please, what's your name?
Jose.
Jose, do you have a nickname?
That is my nickname.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
FɛFɛ.
Who taught you that?
It's you.
FɛFɛ.
What?
Continue. No problem.
FɛFɛ na fɛnti na oba tumika na vaso ne nufum na nie ebeti ato efum niti.
You got it, bro.
My name is Romi.
Romi, do you have a nickname?
No.
Oh, okay. And can you try reading my dialect?
FɛFɛ na fɛ niti na oba tumirika na vaso ne nufum na ne se ebeti ato fum nit.
Hey, what a surprise! Well done. Clap on for yourself.
Welcome to the Martha Television.
Sara, do you have a nickname?
No, everyone calls me Sara.
Sara. Okay.
Yeah.
Can you read my dialect?
12 seconds later.
FɛFɛ na fɛ
Continue.
nti na oba tumiriki.
Wait, what did I hear?
Na oba tumiriki.
Hey! Nkata toge!
Continue. No problem.
Tumirika na wasone nufum nani se ebeti ato efunti.
Please what's your name? Anna. Anna, do you have a nickname? No, just Okay. Can you read my dialect? Yeah, I'll try.
Shut up, everybody. Listen.
FɛFɛ na fɛnti na oba tumirika na wazo ne nufum na ni se ebeti ato efunti.
Thank you.
We want to say a big thank you to all our subscribers, to our participants, and to everyone watching us. Big up. Please subscribe and don't forget to hit on the bell to select all options so you will be the first to get notified when we upload our videos. Like, comment, and share.
Welcome to the Martha Television.